Hello everyone, and I trust that today is going great. Now today we are continuing with titration, looking at our first question. However, this time we are using another method. This method includes the application of the formula. To remind you of the question reads, it takes 10.5 milliliters of a 0.25 molar concentration of hydrochloric acid solution to neutralize 300 milliliters of sodium hydroxide solution. What is the concentration of the sodium hydroxide solution? Now, the first thing to do always is to write your balanced chemical equation. From a balanced chemical equation, you determine the molar ratio between the acid and the base. For this example, it is 1:1. To remind of the formula again, the formula reads that the molarity of the acid multiplied by the volume of the acid divided by the mole of the acid from the balanced chemical equation equals to the molarity of the base multiplied by the volume of the base divided by the mole of the base from the balanced chemical equation. Now, a point to note is that there's no need to convert from milliliters into dm cube. Reason being, because technically you'll be dividing both sides of the equation by 1,000. So there's no need. Now, to substitute our values in the equation, we have here 10.5 multiplied by 0.25 divided by 1. Again, 1 is the mole from the balanced chemical equation. This equals to the molarity of the base that we do not know at this time multiplied by 300 divided by 1. Now, to make the molarity of the base the subject of the formula, we will have here 10.5 multiplied by 0.25 divided by 300. Therefore, the molarity of the base equals to 0.00875. I hope this method was also useful, and I want to thank you for watching this lesson, and I want to remind you, especially today of all day, please be grateful. I want you to have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will talk to you soon.